Now let's take a look at our USD Swiss franc for the week. So before you go, if you've not subscribed, do not forget to actually subscribe. Now straight to our USD JPY. We will start with our daily time frame. As we can see, our USD Swiss franc was actually on a bullish run. Then it actually got to this key level here, which means it fell, right? And it also pushes up, give us that bullish move, hit that our key level here and fell again, serving as our resistance level. And guess what? Our price was actually came to this our place where our price fell, and it's what it pushes up again, right? It pushes up, and guess what? We started having this fall, right? And now that we've had this fall, we've actually added this for to this our key level area here, where our price came here, it's bounced up, it also came here, it's bounced up, and now it has come to this our key level, which is our support level. This week we'll be seeing a bounce up again on this our USD Swiss franc on our daily time frame. Now the reason I said that is that let's see it on our USD index. We can see our USD index was actually, bullish for some time on the long term frame. We can see it is actually bullish, but now for a couple of days, or I would say past week now, our USD index has actually been falling. We can see this our key level here. Our index is actually be falling to this our key level here, and once it hits this our key level, we will be expecting a rise on our USD index. So once we start having that bullish move on our USD index, then our USD Swiss franc will start rising. Why our USD to our Swiss franc was actually falling, why it was actually funny is because our USD index has actually been falling. But once we start seeing that rise, then we will see that rise on our USD Swiss franc. Now see it this way. This is actually a key level here where our price came back, a pullback, it tested, it pushes up, it came here to test this area, serving as our support, and it pushes up. Now our index is actually falling again. Once it hits this our key level, as we are all expecting it to hit very anytime soon, then we start seeing that bullish move on our USD index. Then our USD Swiss franc too will start seeing that bullish move. So we should be expecting an uptrend move anytime soon on our USD Swiss franc. So when I would say to actually take the buy or consider buying our USD Swiss franc is probably when it's on our 30-minute time frame. We're starting to see multiple break of structure upward on our USD to our Swiss franc. That is where we see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, maybe like 2 to 3 times multiple break of structure upward. Then I will say it is actually a good opportunity to buy. If not, we should probably see how our price will play out. Something like this on our 30-minute time frame, you can see another higher highs. We saw this higher lows, we see this higher highs, we see this higher lows, and if possibly we can enter this trade and take it higher highs, breaking this highs here. If our USD Swiss franc can actually break this highs here, this liquidity area we are seeing on our 30-minute time frame, then I'll say it is actually a good time to actually take our buy on our USD Swiss franc.